Hey kids, it's time for another mystery unboxing. Yeah, I wonder what we're gonna find today. Maybe your mom's butt, or your dad's old Ford, or maybe a demonetized button on this video. Stay tuned to check it out, f***ers. Anyway, boys, back in action. We're back in the action. We got another one of these like short unboxing videos today, and actually another mystery box, which I dig. It's a surprise for both of us. It's like gambling, which is dope. Just kidding, I don't gamble. If I did, I'd be NBA broke boy in a week. Anyway, we love it. It's fun. Midget pops out. We're all happy. Best case scenario. So as you guys probably know, NBA YoungBoy is popping more than a lot of artists right now. His searches on Google and stuff is big. It's a lot. People search it good. And you guys always ask me for another NBA YoungBoy video. The last one being, I think we unboxed the cheapest merch, whatever. I thought I'd give you guys what you want, another NBA YoungBoy video, and I kind of had the idea of maybe we do a mystery box. So what I did is I hit up this guy on eBay that sold me rapper mystery boxes in the past. I think we've had 6ix9ine ones, XXXTentacion, yada yada yada. And I asked him if he'd be able to make me an NBA YoungBoy one to show you guys. He replied real quick, saying, "Go f yourself." Just kidding. He said yeah, and he asked me how much I want to spend on this. I kind of thought at first maybe I want to do like a $500 mystery unboxing, but then I retracked my thoughts and thought that's dumb. This guy's probably just gonna scam me like everyone else does. So we'll start with $50. That's what we have right here, a $50 NBA YoungBoy type of mystery box, he said. I don't know what that means. It's kind of sketching me out, to be honest, but it's things that have to do with NBA YoungBoy, pretty much. Interruption! Real quick, we got a word from our sponsors over at Rose Gold and Black. Now, if you guys don't know who these guys are, you probably do if you watch my videos, but they actually have a great Cyber Monday sale going on right now. They got dope prices with their dope jewelry, such as this. We've got a sick Rose Gold and Black, just super low-key watch. They also have low-key rings, chains, and also bracelets. Go check them out with the link down below. 30% off you'll get, plus free shipping using that link. And if you guys want an additional 10% off, you gotta use the code Black Friday. Then you can get like 40% off. Really good deal. I swear to you guys, I dig these guys a lot. These are the 3 things that I would personally buy off their website if I didn't get them sent to me for free, that is. Now I'm telling you guys, the sale won't be on for long. Obviously, it's a Cyber Monday deal, and this is their biggest sale of the year. So if you guys really want to cop, go act fast, or at least I recommend. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But if you want something for a good deal, you gotta do it now. So anyway, that's it. Rose Gold and Black, we appreciate them as always, and let them know down below. Rose Gold and Black, we appreciate you for helping out the man brand. You know what I mean? There we go. Back onto the video. Happy Monday, Cyber. Anyway, man, getting into it, you guys know these cheaper type of mystery unboxing videos generally aren't that long because they're so small. It's 50 bucks, you're not gonna get a lot. Already disappointed, you can tell there's not a little person in this. They're small, but they're not that small. Anyway, demonetized. Let's get into this. I'm super stoked, and once again, if you guys want these, maybe I'll put some together for you with this guy. Leave a thumbs up and comment down below though too if you guys enjoy these, and also leave a comment what your favorite NBA YoungBoy song is. Just cause y'all are bringing them up with me all the time, I'm really trying to like search them and get to know him so I can like babble back and forth with you guys. I think he's dope. I don't think he's as dope as everyone's making him out to. I'll just shut my mouth. Mystery unboxing time! Shut up, kids! Now this didn't take too long for him to make, which is why I'm kind of skeptical on what's inside of this. So let's get into it, man. We don't have too many things. I see a shirt in there, which is dope. We got a thank you card from eBay or whatever. We have 2 of these. I'm assuming that might be jewelry, and oh, it's not a shirt! It's a jersey! Oh, I thought it might be NBA YoungBoy jersey. What the hell is this doing in here? I don't know how much this has to do with NBA YoungBoy, but I'm not mad. This is a Mitchell & Ness jersey, bro. What the f? Yeah! Size medium. I can't fit that. You know, at least ask for my size if you're not gonna take me out to dinner before f***ing me. Just kidding. You know, this is crazy. I forgot. I'm gonna search up each item that we get and see if we get our money's worth. But Allen Iverson's Sixers jersey. Also what I'm gonna search is maybe like every other rapper, he has a song named Iverson or something. So let's just see what that has to do with NBA YoungBoy in the slightest. Okay, so first thing I see here, I'll have it pop up on the screen, but he has a picture. I don't know if this is an album cover. I don't know too much about the dude, but he's holding an Iverson jersey. I don't know if that's his favorite player or what. Also, I just searched up Allen Iverson Mitchell & Ness jersey, and what I found here, not on NBA YoungBoy website or anything, but NBA store, we have this exact jersey, I think. It's Mitchell & Ness for $114, man. Money made! Next up, once again, small unboxings. I guess we'll open this one. Dope. Dope. I don't really care about it, but we have we've had so many broken heart pendants in the past. I don't know what this has to do with NBA YoungBoy, but I'm gonna check on the price of this one. We'll see how much we got. There's no branding on it. I mean, that's pretty good. I've bought jewelry for videos and stuff like that, as you guys know, and anything like this isn't any less than $20 generally. Yeah, we got a score because this thing, at least one like it, I just found for $50. They could be cheaper, I don't know. That's the one we're gonna stick with though. We got one thing left. It's weird with these unboxing videos because they are so small. They're $50. I want to do them because they're affordable if people want to buy them. I don't want to do them though because they're just so... there's not much in it. So far with the box, at least video-wise, I wish it actually had NBA YoungBoy stuff in it and not just stuff that might remind you of him, but that's just nitpicking. Last up, damn, okay. These are not cheap. I don't know if he's ever worn these. I'll put up a picture on the screen if I find it while editing, but this is actually, I think, made very popular from Lil Pump. What we got, or Lil Pump, whatever the frick you want to call him. Does he do stuff anymore? I just don't hear about him. Anyway, we got the Spike all-out iced bracelet right here. Once again, this has to cost more than, you know, $10 or something like that. We've already got our money out of it. I don't know if he hooked me up because he knew I might be doing a video on this or what. I don't know, man. Is that entertaining? Probably not. But that's a $50 mystery box of NBA YoungBoy. I think it has nothing to do with them, to be honest. I mean, I guess after seeing this picture, maybe it's kind of creative. But I also might have gotten sacked on this one. You know what I mean? My balls are a little sensitive after this. Anyway, quick video. I might do chilling with NameBran after this. I might not, depending on how much more viewing that we need. If it's like a 3-minute video, then I will. I think we got a pretty good steal here. I don't want any of this stuff. I'm gonna resell this, and I'll probably maybe resell these or give them away. So we're making cash. That's all that matters. I'm gonna go search up some end slips from Selena Gomez or Summer Rae possibly after this, and I'm gonna leave you guys on your way. Appreciate y'all for watching. American the Game, the greatest of all time, y'all the goats. I'm gonna have more coffee too. Blow.